All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and this is a Safety PSA. All right, so I've got two different types of ball joint separators. This is made by Mueller Cups, this is made by OTC. The reason for this post is not because of these tools, but Cole was using a different tool and, well, it broke on him under a huge amount of tension. Hit his hand, it hurts, hopefully nothing's broken, but my point of this is when you're using these type tools, ball joint presses as well, especially this tool, because this tool might knock your teeth out. It's really important for you to understand that there is a huge amount of force that's being exerted. You need to understand that when you're using these tools, you're putting tons of force on something. If something breaks, your face is usually right there. Be really careful. I don't want anybody getting hurt because a tool fails or you didn't have it quite in there far enough, you know, something like that. Be really careful with pullers under tension because they can kill you. You know, 2 tons of force in your face could be deadly. So this is just a PSA. When you're using these kind of tools, respect them because they can hurt you. I know kind of preachy, but the fact is that even if it's just the tie rod or ball joint actually separating, this can go flying. This can go flying. And these are chunks of metal that could hurt you. You know, if nothing else, dent some toes. So be careful using pullers like these. Stay safe out there. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.